To refund your Farming Simulator 25, first you will need to select the game in the Steam. As I'll be showing you a method on the Steam, I don't own the game on other platforms. Now when you selected the game, you will need to go for the support option right here. Then go for it's not what I expected, and then I would like to request a refund. Now if your game is eligible to actually refund, for example, it's for me, I played it for 54 minutes. If you played it for less than 2 hours, you'll be able to refund it. Also, there's something with the weeks, so if you purchase the game, I think for about 2 weeks, you won't be able to refund it as well. So next step is to choose where we want the refund to go, to our PayPal or Steam wallet. Then we can choose a refund reason, and I'm gonna select that it's not fun, and you can explain why it's not fun, after which you'll be able to submit the request to refund your money.